Professor Gyampo, please come closer. Prof, my friend Hypod says I should not call you professor. No, not her. A man so says I should not call you professor. But I will call you professor because I know how difficult it is to get MPhil, talk of getting PhD, talk of becoming a professor. So once an institution like University of Ghana has seen you worthy of being a professor, I will give it to you. You are a professor. But please, enough is enough, Prof. You knew all the solutions when your party, NDC, was in opposition. And now we know NDC is your party. You are not a neutral. You knew all the solutions. Every Saturday, constantly, for 4 years, you knew it all on TV3. Every Saturday morning, you knew it all. You were always the first person to say Akufo-Addo should have done it this way. Akufo-Addo should do it this way and that way. And Ghanaians, thankfully, have voted for your party. And God being so good too, with your party in power, your party did not leave you down. Your party has given you a very, very sensitive portfolio. And that is being the CEO of Ghana Shippers Authority. For the people who do not even know what Ghana Shippers Authority is, see, all the containers that come to Ghana, all the goods that we bring in, regulation, they are under Ghana Shippers Authority. So if the Bruni will antadieno sebeye cheaper, it depends on how well Ghana Shippers Authority works. If home use fridges no ebeye cheaper, it depends on how well Ghana Shippers Authority works. Those people who are abroad, if you are sending things down here, if the shipping lines are going to give it to you at a cheaper rate, depends on how well Gyampo is working. So because we know how important your work is, we have given you one Toyota Land Cruiser V8. We have added a saloon car. We are paying for your foreign trips, unlimited foreign trips. We are paying for your driver. We are paying for your housemaid. Mami, you are welcome. We are giving you an apartment. You are not paying electricity bill or anything, because we want you to have a sound mind to work. So, Prof, the excuse you are giving, say, and you have conducted an investigation about shipping lines and they are not accepting, they are using their own exchange rate. Prof, what were you expecting? When your government was massaging the exchange rate, Prof, what were you expecting? Your government did massage the exchange rate, and we came to say it. You people called us fools. That's what you told us. That you Jimmy, because you say Bank of Ghana's rate. We told you Bank of Ghana has the rate, Abochi has the dollars. Now it's no longer Abochi, but even forest bureaus. Yes, Mami, violent kids are now. Even forest bureaus now are not going by Bank of Ghana rate, because they've realized that you are just stealing from people who are outside the country. They are hard-earned money. You will not use the due exchange rate, and you are starving some of us here in Ghana, because most of them abroad don't want to send the money again because they realize. So today, you, the company you are heading, for which you are receiving salary, you are coming to TV3 again to complain that the shipping lines that are under you are using their own exchange. So we should do what about it? We know the problem. That is why we are paying you. So don't come and tell us about the problem. Solve it. You are a professor. Solve it. You are being paid. Solve the problem. And stop talking. Stop granting interviews and get to work. Prof Gyampo, get to work. You are no longer in opposition. You are in power. Get to work. We want the shipping lines to adjust their exchange rate to the Bank of Ghana rate. If you know that what you are doing is right, let them adjust it. Force them to adjust it. That's why we are paying you. And stop the useless commentaries. Prof, with all due respect, stop the useless commentaries. We are Bianca Saturday morning. Continue TV3. Eko propaganda. Because now you are being paid. You will sit down, crack your head, bring solutions to Ghana shippers. Now when you go to Tema, to clear your good now has become a Herculean task again. After Dr. Mahamudu Baumia has brought paperless port that you could even clear your goods before they get to Ghana. You people think Bokosu you have come back and now you are gone back to paper. Now to clear your goods from Tema. If your container is not missing, then you must know somebody protocol before you will be able to clear goods from Tema. Where did we go wrong? And Prof Gyampo, you still wake up in the morning, Saturday morning, you go and sit on TV3 and waste 4 precious hours. We are now called that robot that is worth $11,000 US. You have 2 of those. Now call them to massage your body. Prof Gyampo, you're steady. Why? We are professor, you're steady.
Mu se emu mu se nkrane mu ko toilet wo poano mu ko toilet mu dan echi okọ boy eti ni hu si wo eji sa contract ye mo nkofo toilet wo fie bi okọ boy subsidize ye echi sika half eti the voice says a toilet for example e cost 1,200 u betu 600 Ghana okọ boy yes e bi grant ya e be ya aban fa na ye ka ye no wesi wo fie na wo je wo dan sika na aban asan ye toilet ama se de be mbegja toilet ko na the voice say obi okọ toilet wo epoano de nyansa be no nim nyansa ben enonim okọ boy sacrifice wa ye ni de be me ko the page of Facebook so okọ boy sa nkrofo na wo jiji omsuri jai sa de no jai de bia na me ne ku on jai sa de no enkurasefo wo mu yankokọ omu didi bi ngroma no twitwi fom. They don't want you. Oko boy jai sa pampre no pampa omo no. Me hu anso okoto ambulance. Te say na ambulance no na omo ani age na. They don't want you. Don't stop pampering them crasifo. Obi odi bin di onim nyansa ben. Obi odi bin ma cholera to me tisi omunte temu nyansa ben no munim. Toilet wo ho. Why ni fi osimi nko toilet mu. No munim anso ben we duane di dokun. Eni poje mo. Poje money dokun no mudi. Eno pen aka omo. Me say obekwa koto ne ntuma e da ye kwadwo money gonyo party. Na ne ba ya pamo ne bati fie. Gonyo party no muni me. Oko boy,